Hello, FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. Classroom management is like the white screen in a movie theater. We can't see it, but without it, the show can't go on. If you're a teacher who's overwhelmed with the way the kids are behaving in the class and classroom management is a tough task for you, then today's video is definitely for you. In today's video, we are going to discuss the top classroom management strategies that have worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you too. All of the strategies are very different from each other and you never know what might work for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And now without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first way to manage your classroom is to have a call and response in your class. What I usually do is, if the class is getting too overwhelmed, I just say, stop, look, and then the kids say, listen. Stop, look, listen. Stop, look, listen. In the first few days, you have to teach them that this is what I'm doing. But gradually, as soon as you say stop, the kids will start saying look and listen, and all their eyeballs will be on you. In this way, you will be able to manage your classroom and have them connected with you. The next most effective way to manage your classroom is to integrate technology in your class. On your screen, go to the YouTube channel Danny Go or Go Noodle. Especially if you have your primary kids, then these videos will help you a lot to manage the energy of the class and to help them enjoy your class. They have various videos on how to wiggle, how to shake, and this way the kids will know how exactly to behave because they'll be following the video. The kids will start loving your vibe, and whenever you enter the class, they will be excited to do such fun and amazing things with you. The next way to manage your classroom is to play the game Would You Rather. Would You Rather is a very effective game. It will make the children think before they answer, hence they will keep calm and come up with a response. First, you have to start with silly questions in Would You Rather and then gradually take them back to the topic. Okay, children, so would you like to have the magic door where you open the door and directly reach wherever you want to go? Or would you rather have a magic pencil and whatever you draw comes true? When you start with such silly questions, the kid will start to enjoy the game. And now you have to take them back to the topic that you were teaching. So children, after listening to the whole story of Fox and the Grapes, if you were the fox, would you try more to get the grapes or would you also just walk out of the farm? In this way, you can manage your classroom and be a fun teacher for your kids. The next way to manage your kids' energy is to let them move physically and do some exercise. This exercise will help their brain concentrate and come back to something else. This will not only be a physical exercise but also a brain exercise so that their concentration levels will improve in the long run. For example, you can tell your children to touch their right elbow with the left knee and left elbow with the right knee. When they do this exercise, they will have to actually do a lot of work. And with that work, all their energy will be managed. If it's not possible for all the kids to do this activity, you could pick and choose 4 or 5 kids, get them in front of the class and do this exercise. It will be fun for the kids. They will think of this as an activity, but you know that this is an icebreaker. So your aim will be achieved with this exercise. The next way to manage your classroom is by writing noise on the board. Every time you enter the classroom, you have to write N-O-I-S-E. As soon as the kids are making noise, you have to start erasing one or the other alphabet. For example, the first time I erased an E. The second time I erased the S. And you have to tell the children, after I reach the letter N, if you all do not keep quiet, then you will get an extra homework worksheet. Alternatively, you could also write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you have to tell the kids that as and when you make the noise, I will start erasing the numbers. And when I reach number 1, you will get 1 worksheet. In case I am on number 2 and the bell rings, then I will give you 2 homeworks. In this way, just to avoid the extra homework and pay attention to where they are reaching, trust me, they will remain silent and let you teach. Another way to manage your classroom is to use classroomzen.com. When you go to this website, you will get a variety of ways to manage the class. You could control the noise of the class, you could do breathing exercises, or you could also play Would You Rather. You can explore this website as much as possible. It is absolutely free for all. The link will be given in the description box below. When you use the website and feature it on the big screen in front of the students, they take it as a game and they love to do it in the audio visual manner. So your job is done as soon as you play it, and you will see how kids are enjoying this as a game, and if you do this activity with them, brownie points for you. Have you ever observed how primary kids love to be a part of a team? You have to use exactly this to make it into a game and manage your class. You could make it as a game like row wise or team girls versus team boys and something like that. And after every lecture, you have to give informal scores like stars or smileys. You have to keep them with you. So as soon as your lecture gets over, the most well-behaved group gets a star or a smiley from your side. Because they want the group to win, they will behave. Trust me, it works wonders in the class. And by the end of the term or by the end of the week, whichever team wins, you could give them a small gesture, or you could give them a compensation of not doing a homework or anything of that sort. For that particular reward, they will do a lot of things. It will act as a game changer in your class if you do it wholeheartedly. So that's it for today's video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that an effective teacher manages the classroom, whereas an ineffective teacher disciplines the classroom. Choose which one do you want to be. If you liked today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us which of these strategies were you most familiar with. Share this video with your teacher friends and family, and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of the FutureMakers family. See you soon.